Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of celebrity personalities. Celebrities often seem larger than life, but behind the glitz and glam, they face struggles just like the rest of us. We'll explore the diverse traits they possess, both the good and the bad, and uncover valuable lessons on overcoming doubt, fear, and laziness. Analyzing celebrity personalities, leadership. Many celebrities exhibit strong leadership qualities, driving them to success. We'll delve into examples such as Oprah Winfrey, who inspires millions with her leadership and empowerment. Creativity. Artists like Lady Gaga showcase exceptional creativity, pushing boundaries and redefining norms in their fields. Resilience. The resilience of figures like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson teaches us valuable lessons in bouncing back from setbacks. Recognizing limiting traits. Ego. Some celebrities struggle with unchecked egos, such as Will Smith, leading to controversies and conflicts. Insecurity. Despite their fame, many celebrities battle deep-seated insecurities, impacting their decisions and relationships, such as Jada Smith. Addiction. Substance abuse and other addictions plague numerous celebrities, highlighting the importance of seeking help and breaking destructive cycles. Overcoming doubt, fear, and laziness. Mindset shift. We'll explore strategies for shifting from a mindset of doubt to one of confidence, drawing inspiration from celebrities who've conquered self-doubt. Facing fear. Fear can paralyze even the most successful individuals. We'll examine techniques for confronting fears head-on, drawing from examples like Will Smith's "fear is not real" philosophy. Motivation and discipline. Laziness often stems from a lack of motivation and discipline. We'll share practical tips for cultivating these traits, inspired by the routines of disciplined celebrities like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Motivation and discipline. Laziness often stems from a lack of motivation and discipline. We'll share practical tips for cultivating these traits, inspired by the routines of disciplined celebrities like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Real-life applications. Goal setting. We'll guide viewers in setting realistic goals and creating actionable plans to overcome obstacles. Self-reflection. Encouraging self-reflection allows individuals to identify personal strengths and areas for growth. Seeking support. Just as celebrities have coaches and mentors, we'll emphasize the importance of seeking support from friends, family, or professionals. The power within. Do you ever feel like you're meant for something greater? That stirring within you is the spark of potential waiting to ignite. We'll delve into the power of self-awareness and understanding your unique strengths and passions. Get ready to tap into the reservoir of greatness that lies within. Embracing your journey. Every journey is unique, and yours is no exception. We'll explore the importance of embracing your journey, with all its ups and downs. From overcoming obstacles to celebrating victories, every step forward is a testament to your resilience and determination. Breaking through barriers. Fear, doubt, and insecurities, they're the roadblocks standing between you and your dreams. But fear not. We'll equip you with the tools to break through these barriers, one by one. Get ready to unleash the unstoppable force of your potential. Cultivating growth mindset. At the heart of personal growth lies the mindset, a growth mindset. We'll dive into the power of positive thinking, resilience, and embracing failure as a stepping stone toward success. It's time to cultivate the mindset of champions and conquer your wildest dreams. Actionable steps for transformation. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge and inspiration, it's time to take action. We'll provide you with practical, actionable steps to kickstart your transformation journey. From setting smart goals to establishing empowering habits, every step forward brings you closer to your true potential. Unveiling your inner strength. Have you ever felt that there's more to you than meets the eye? You're absolutely right. Within you lies a reservoir of untapped potential waiting to be unleashed. We'll explore how to identify and harness your inner strength, empowering you to overcome any obstacle that stands in your way. Embracing your unique gifts. No two individuals are alike, and that's what makes you special. We'll guide you through the process of embracing your unique gifts and talents, unlocking the keys to your personal success. Whether you're a budding artist, a natural leader, or a visionary thinker, your gifts are your superpower. Let's understand gifts. Saying your gifts means the things that come natural for you that others may struggle with. Telling stories, reading or writing, building, technology, making others laugh, or just being a social butterfly. Whatever it is that makes you who you are will become your gift, while some learn to use this to solve problems in life others struggle. What are you good at? Conquering self-doubt. Self-doubt is the silent enemy that holds many of us back from reaching our full potential. But fear not. We'll provide you with the tools and strategies to conquer self-doubt once and for all. It's time to silence that inner critic and unleash the unstoppable force of your confidence. Setting goals and taking action. Dreams without action are merely fantasies. We'll help you transform your dreams into reality by setting clear, actionable goals and taking consistent steps toward their achievement. From small victories to monumental milestones, every step forward brings you closer to your dreams. Cultivating a growth mindset. At the heart of personal growth lies the mindset, a growth mindset. We'll delve into the power of positive thinking, resilience, and embracing failure as a stepping stone toward success. It's time to cultivate the mindset of champions and unlock your limitless potential. Congratulations, fellow seekers. You've embarked on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, and the possibilities are endless. Remember, the power to unlock your personal potential lies within you. Believe in yourself, take action, and watch as the world unfolds at your feet. Thank you for joining us on this transformative adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Together, let's unlock the boundless potential that resides within each and every one of us.